everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how the upcoming month of May is going to be for your zodiac. And now, talking about the Cancer zodiac. So, for the Cancer zodiac this month, when it comes to love, then if you're single, then it is likely that there can be a new partner coming across in your love life. And this can be also a month where you can feel that the connection is based on something strong. The connection is based on something, significant. It is not just the attractions or the surface level emotions, but it is also about you both learning about each other, and this can be a kind of a connection where you can also learn more about yourself. So it would not just be about your love life, but it would also be about your own individual journey and exploring yourself, the depths of yourself as well. So that kind of connection can be there in your life if you're single. And if you are already in a relationship, then it seems like some kind of new positive steps can be there in your relationship. You both can learn more about each other. Again, the learning things can be more focused when it comes to your love life. So if you're single, even if you're in a relationship, it can be more about learning about you and your partner, and also it can be shifting your focus towards important things in your life. So it may not, you can leave little matters, and you can be more intrigued, and you can be more interested in learning about the bigger versions of life, the bigger goals and visions of life together. So this type of emotion, this type of connection can eventually enhance the connection of you and your partner, and it can also make you feel that it is good that you both are on this journey together. So this I would say this emotion of being together can be quite fulfilling as well. And if you are waiting for some kind of news, waiting for some kind of connection, some reconnection, then that can also be a possibility. The messages or the communication can be starting as well. So all of those things can also be there. And talking about your career this month, Cancer. So if you are in a career field of taking care of, or counseling, nurturing, or where you are in the giving situation, then things can be quite good for you. You can use your intuitive powers, you can use your healing power, the nurturing powers of yours to eventually gain success in your career. But yes, if you are in some different kind of a career, then there can be times when you can face disappointments. You can be very emotional, vulnerable when it comes to your career this month. So make sure that you're not allowing other people to eventually take advantage of you being giving, or other people take advantage of you being more involved or invested in a work, or even in maintaining harmony around. So this is something that you have to take care of. Career wise, this can be a month where things may not be very fierce, but because of your own overthinking, I would say you can feel some kind of disappointments. But overall, it may not be very huge losses or anything. You can be able to just surpass this situation, but make sure that you're not overthinking a lot, because then people can take advantage of you. And finances wise, even though yes, career wise things can be a little I would say down the hill this month, but finances wise can be flowing. If you have been old investments, or if some old schemes that are in there, then you can feel those rewards are coming across, some kind of advancement of finances. So financial finances can be there. Your growth, the goals that you're having in your life can be fulfilled when it comes to finances. So all of those things can be there. Financial goal you can also achieve this month. So all of these things can be there. And for the oracle message, it is sun. Paint the sun back into your sky. Now this means that you have to make your own happiness. Don't depend on others to seek that light, to seek that support. You have to give yourself that source of happiness to yourself. So again, not depending upon others, and being more particular about your own happiness is important for you. And yes, that's it for this month. All the very best.